Agents, hey, this is Luis Moreno with Insurance Agent Training. I'm coming to you today with another ACA tip. On this tip, I'm going to talk about a tracker that I use to manage my agency when it comes to ACA sales. I do this because I want to track what we're writing and I want to keep track of everything on it. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to do two things. Before you comment down below, make sure you like this video and please subscribe to the channel. Those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. Now, this ACA tracker, guys, that I share with you, it's kind of my gauge of what's going on in my agency, but it also gives me a lot of data that I'm going to need so I don't have to go search for it. I will give you a copy of this tracker. If you go down to the description down below, guys, I have this tracker and you'll be able to utilize it. Make sure, and I'll show you how to make your own copy so that you can have your version of it. All right, let's get into this tracker. Give me 1 minute here. All right, here we go. This is the ACA tracker that I use in my agency. So a couple of things on here. Now you can edit this completely. Number one, to make your copy of this, you're going to go to File and Make a Copy. When you hit Make a Copy, just label it, whatever you want to call it, John Smith's tracker, ACA tracker, and now this is your copy of it. Nobody will ever see it. Okay? Now, what I like to put the effective date, because we're going to have two sets of effective dates this year. Effective dates for 1/1 and effective dates for 2/1. When did you write it? The name of the insured, last name of the insured. Now, when did you capture the consent? So what I do here on the consent portion is I put down how I captured it. Was it a wet signature? Was it done through Agent CRM, which is the CRM that I highly recommend that you guys get? I have my own DocuSign version of the consent that you can send to clients and they sign electronically and it captures their IP address. Maybe they texted you that they consent. You want to write down how you captured it so that if you get a complaint and you got to go figure out where it is, you know where it's at. Final confirmation. So this would be multiple tips in this one video. So consent, got to get that first. That's a CMS requirement. Confirmation is the second event that you have to do for CMS. Make sure that you're capturing consent. What I do through Agent CRM is I take my print screen, which is towards the end of the app. I make a PDF of it. I send it to them. Then I send them a message that says, hey, John, take a look at this thing. Make sure everything is accurate. If it's not, let me know so I can fix it. But if it is accurate, just reply back with I confirm. Make sure you're collecting that. I put agent here only because I have multiple people in my office. What carrier did I write it with? How many heads? Was this a new business account or was it a renewal? Now I put source here because I want to know where it came from. Maybe Facebook, maybe it came from Instagram, TikTok, maybe it was a referral, maybe it was from your book of business. You want to be able to source it out. Okay, and this is just my tracker, my head tracker count. You whatever it is, all you're doing is you're adding up all your heads, so you gotta get an idea of where you're at. Then I added these documents outstanding. So if they owe us some documents, which you're gonna find in the eligibility, and you didn't collect them, write down here what you need so you can follow up with them. A lot of the people who wrote policies at the beginning of OEP, those documents are due at the end of January. So that's going to give you some time to connect with those insureds and get those documents if you haven't collected them already. So it's a really good thing to write down here whether anything that they need to submit to you. If they have a $0 premium, write that down. That way you don't have to worry about their billing. If they do not have a $0 premium, then did you collect the binder payment and did you set it up on EFT? Again, this is huge for retention. Does you no good if they have a premium and they never paid their binder or you didn't set it up on autopay. I try my hardest to set this up on autopay for all of my insureds. So if you want this tracker, go down below, click on the More button. It'll open up and then you'll see the tracker on there. I will put the link for you so that you can make your own copy. Don't forget, guys, a couple of things. I've got the ACA Smart Book. 2026 ready to go. If you guys want to purchase this book, you go down there and there's a link for you to get it. Okay. Now, guys, it's kind of maybe a little hard to see, but I'll tell you what's on here. I've got my poverty chart for the income guidelines. Okay. I've got income guidelines, household guidelines, immigration and ACA eligibility, special enrollment periods, the family glitch, the client intake and consent forms. And then I put all the brochures that I utilize for cross-selling and ACA alternatives, just so that I can have easy access. 99, 97 bucks one time. And that's it, guys. The book is yours. It is a downloadable PDF. I also will have, hopefully by the end of this week, the Medicare Smart Book. And I do have both of those Smart Books in Spanish. Okay. Finally, guys, a CRM. I talked about it at the beginning of the video. It's huge. You need to have a CRM. Super vital that you utilize a CRM so that you can CYA. Okay, it's important in this time and age. Okay, not only does it track all of your communication, phone, if you make a phone call, records it, text and email, but I've built out a bunch of automations for ACA, Medicare, life, the ancillaries, as well as P&C. So if you guys use my link down below, you get all of my stuff, plus you get everything that Agent CRM provides to people who use our direct link. And it's the same price. Okay, so take advantage of it. Finally, guys, this is the most enjoyable part. I started doing this a couple of years ago, and it's fun for me. Guys, if you want to book a half hour or 1 hour block of my time, you got to buy it, guys. My time is valuable. You want to buy, and you want to pick my brain, 25 years in this industry. Maybe you want to talk about building an agency, hiring staff. How do you pay them? Okay. How do you pay producers? Okay. Maybe you want to talk about marketing. You want to talk about building a downline. Okay. You name it, guys. I've done it. I've had some hard lessons, some costly lessons, but I would be super glad to talk to you about that. You can go down below and you can buy a half hour book of my time, a 1 hour. And guys, I will give you everything that I've got. All right, guys. Thanks again. This is Luis Moreno with Insurance Agent Training.